Everybody, Mr. B here, and welcome to the Loft. Today we're taking inspiration from Ina Garden, the barefoot contestant herself, and we're doing Linguini with Shrimp Scampi. How bad can that be? Going to get a pot of water up to boil for the linguine, and we'll run down on the ingredients list here. So obviously your pasta, zest of 1 lemon, and you'll need juice of about 2 or so, and then maybe a little for garnish, who knows. Shrimp, I'm using a frozen shrimp. Nothing wrong with that. In fact, the way they flash freeze things these days, it's pretty darn fresh. There's your lemon zest, some fresh parsley, a ton of garlic, about 4 or 5 cloves, a little salt and pepper, about half a stick of butter, and some red pepper flakes. This will basically cook in the time it takes for you to cook your pasta. All right, we have got our water coming up, big boil, and we are going to add about a tablespoon of salt to that. You always want to kind of season your pasta water. It will help season the pasta. And in goes about 3/4 pound of linguine. Any type of stringy pasta will work here. Spaghetti would be good. Angel hair would be amazing as well. And it goes. And we'll just get this down into a zhuzhy sort of thing there. Cover it. All right, now we're gonna cook this pasta just under, because we'll want to finish it in the sauce. So somewhere between 7 and 10 minutes. Medium heat in your skillet. Let's go with half a stick of butter. Yum. And some olive oil. A couple of tablespoons or so. It's gonna help make our sauce. We're gonna get that going. Got our butter and olive oil has melted. We are gonna add in our fresh garlic. What this is gonna do is start infusing into this oil and butter. It's gonna be a primary flavor of this here. Now you've got to be careful, because garlic will burn quickly. There's another reason why you want to be on kind of a medium heat. We're gonna let this infuse for about 1 minute. Oh, that smells good. And to that, we're gonna add 1 pound of shrimp. And we're gonna cook this till it's opaque. What does that mean? Well, it's gonna kind of turn pink on you. Get it covered in that delicious butter and garlic. I like using frozen shrimp because, you know, if you overcook shrimp, it can tend to get a little tough on you, rubbery, if you will. And, you know, I think using frozen kind of slows the process down just a little bit. To this, let's add a couple of rounds of some good salt. And we will do a pinch of black pepper. Or 2. Our shrimp has come up, and you can see that the sauce is thickening somewhat here. It's not gonna be a super thick sauce, but you know, still gonna be delicious. Into this, we're gonna add our lemon zest, fresh parsley, about a 1/4 teaspoon of some crushed red for some heat, and we're gonna juice the lemon. Let's get this a mix around. Oh yes, indeed. That is beautiful. And we're just gonna toss in our pasta. It doesn't have to be fully drained. The pasta water will help with the emulsification. Make as big of a mess as possible. I'll go ahead and cut my heat. And we'll plate up. Maybe we just add some lemon around here. Like that. There you have it. Let's do a quick test, shall we? I'm not even going to bother plating it. Kids. Let me tell you kids something. If fresh had a taste, this would be it. It's absolutely delicious. Lemony, garlicky. The shrimp is shrimpy. It's absolutely amazing. Worth the calories for sure. Okay kids, there you have it. Ina Garden's linguine with shrimp scampi. I hope you enjoyed this one. Super easy, very fast. Like I said, you can basically do it in the time it takes you to boil pasta. Perfect for a weeknight or any time if you ask me. That's it for this episode, y'all. Click like, hit subscribe, share the video. Come along for the ride, and we're gonna see you next time. Take care. Okay, linguine with shrimp scampi in 3, 2, 1. Hello, everybody. Boy, that's off to a great start.